I'm quickly running out to find a way to avoid rising health care costs for millions of Americans. Lawmakers on Capitol Hill are nowhere close to finding a solution tonight. The Affordable Care Act tax subsidies are set to expire at the end of the year, meaning higher insurance premiums, and the Senate rejecting proposals from both parties, and both sides are now accusing the other of playing politics.
They don't really want to solve the problem. What they want is a political issue that they can run on in the upcoming election.
Coverage got a lot harder to afford, and families are facing a lot of impossible, horrible choices. And Republicans owned every bit of it because of the way they voted today. Shameful.
House lawmakers could take up a health care package next week, but that measure might not include subsidies. Tonight, we're hearing from a Metro Atlanta doctor who says her own bill is set to jump 800%. She's facing the kind of sticker shock she says she usually hears about from her patients. As she tells our Daniel Wilkerson, she's worried people could be forced to choose between health insurance and everything else in their budget.
Dr. Sharika Newman runs her practice, Doctor in the Family, from her Atlanta home. She helps people living with serious illness navigate their care, but now she's navigating a challenge of her own.
My premium is around $100 now, and it's going up to $800, or potentially was going up to $800.
Dr. Newman says if she can't absorb an 800% increase, she fears what it will also mean for her patients.
I think my biggest concern is that we have millions of Americans that will become uninsured because the premiums are no longer affordable.
Among the most at risk are workers who make too much to qualify for Medicaid, but not enough to handle a $1,000 premium, like Michelle Phillips of Kennesaw.
My husband is 65, so he has Medicare. My mother is 83. She has Medicare. I'm 62, so I have no insurance.
Phillips currently pays $458 a month through the Affordable Care Act.
My deductible is $4,150. My out-of-pocket is $8,150.
She tells us she's already stocking up on asthma inhalers, worried she may lose coverage come January 1st.
Unfortunately, she and millions of other Americans are going to be facing the same decision about whether I continue with insurance or just go uninsured because I cannot afford the insurance.
Dr. Newman fears the result will be more people waiting until they're very sick to seek treatment.
That's why I believe that we're going to just see a rise in emergent and urgent care needs over preventative and primary care needs.
She says direct primary care and sliding scale clinics may be the only workarounds for people who can't afford new premiums.
So a lot of times that's called a sliding scale model, where how much you pay is based on how much you make.
But even with those options, she's worried about what happens next.
Dr. Newman told us direct primary care can cost a few $100s a month instead of four-figure premiums, but it doesn't replace major medical coverage.